What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. This video I want to give you some examples regarding multiplication and simplification of square roots or radical. The first example I want to show you is 6 root 3d cubed times 4 root 12d to the power of 5. The answer is 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times 12 is going to be 36, and d cubed times d to the power of 5 is going to be d to the power of 8. Then it will be 24 square root of 36, then square root of d to the power of 8. So 24 is 24, square root of 36 is 6, and the square root of d to the power of 8 is d to the power of 4. So 6 times 24 is 144, d to the power of 4. Next example. 2 root 5d cubed times 4 root 15b. That's actually b, not d. Answer is 2 times 4 is 8, then square root of 5 times 15 is 75. B cubed times b is going to be b to the power of 4. So we have 8. 75 is 25 times 3. 25 is perfect square. So we can write it like that. B to the power of 4. So it's going to be 8 times square root of 25 is 5. So it's going to be 40 root 3, and the square root of b to the power of 4 is b squared. So it's going to be 40 root 3 b squared, or 40 b squared root 3. Next example, 6 root 3d cubed times 4 root 12 d to the power of 5. d to the power of 7. So it's going to be 6 times 4 is 24. Then 36 d to the power of 10. That's the answer. Which is going to be 24 times 6, 144, d to the power of 5. Next example. Negative 2 root 7z cubed multiplied by 3 root 14 z to the power of 8. Answer is negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. 7 times 14 is 98. Z cubed times z to the power of 8 is z to the power of 11. So it's negative 6 root 98 is 49 times 2. 49 is perfect square. So we have negative 6, 7, root 2. And then z is z to the power of 10 times z. So it's going to be z to the power of 10, z. So it's going to be negative 42 root 2. 2 z to the power of 5 root z. So it's going to be negative 42 z to the power of 5 root 2 z. Example. 4 root 2 k to the power of 5 times negative 3 root 32 k to the power of 6. Answer is 4 times negative 3, negative 12. 2 times 32 is 64. K to the power of 5 times k to the power of 6 is k to the power of 11. Then it's going to be negative 12 times 8, because square root of 64 is 8. And k to the power of 11 is k to the power of 10 times k. which is going to be square root of k to the power of 10 is k to the power of 5, then square root of k, which is going to be minus 96 k to the power of 5 root k. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.